Now listen.
Welcome back, everyone. In this episode, I will show you how to get to and remove your exhaust emissions pair valve. This is relatively easy to do, and even a novice can do it with some basic hand tools. If this helps you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Today, we'll be removing the air intake out of your Gen 2 Hayabusa, and under it, we'll be looking at the valve cover of your head and removing the back pressure plates from it, and putting block-off plates, and removing a lot of the other equipment that's just not needed to lighten it up a little bit. And what that does, it reduces the back firing that you get on hard deceleration when you're letting off the gas. You hear that pop, 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 pop. It sounds like rapid gunfire. It takes that away. So that's what we're working on now. So first thing we got to do, we got to take an Allen wrench, get all your, there's only two, one on each side, to get your stacks taken off. Got to remove two sensors, the clips for two sensors. You have a 10 mil up front that holds it down, and a couple of hoses, and that's it. All right, now that you got your air box off, what we're going to be looking at is a cap here and a cap there. See if you can see that with the low light. That is your back pressure block offs, or that's your back pressure, and it feeds into this monster up here. So all that's going to come out. This black valve here is normally removed when you do the pair valve removing. However, with the Busa, it needs to be plugged in, or else your fault indicator light will come on.